Good afternoon, everyone. This is Esha Chatterjee. Namaskar. I am assistant professor of Chandanagar College, Chandanagar, Hubli, West Bengal. I teach philosophy. Now, I am going to give a presentation on the topic what can I do for improving academic excellence in my institution as a teacher. Okay. First of all, we have to understood what is academic excellence. Excellence is the demonstrated ability to perform, achieve, and excel in scholastic activities. Academic excellence has been identified with achieving high grades and superior performance. But academic excellence is just more than just making good grades. It is much more than getting just good grades. Many people, maximum people, understood academic excellence as getting more marks, more grade, but this is not the thing. Okay. Academic excellence is a roadmap to lead to a successful life or successful academic career. Every student want to achieve academic excellence. It is a collaborated effort from parents, teachers, mentors, and counselors. However, teachers shoulder more of this responsibility than any other group of people involved in the academic development of a child. Parents, surroundings, environment, non-teaching staffs, all are engaged. Private tutors, all are engaged in the academic career of a student or of a child. मोदी जी जैसे आप बोल रहे थे हमें कि you are the builder of the future citizen of India. We are teaching citizens of India and adult people. We are college professors. We are teaching adult people. We are teaching citizens of India. हमें अच्छे नागरिकों का जन्म देना है. पढ़ना लिखना तो ज़रूरी है, पर अच्छे नागरिक होना और भी ज़रूरी है. I think I can do many things to achieve academic excellence in my institution. First, there are two aspects in this thing also. First, individual effect and then group effect. What can I do individually? First, inspire the students to develop effect. First, I can inspire the student. I can inspire them to be a teacher like me. First, I want to suggest them to be a good citizen. Punctuality, I think, so punctuality is the most important thing. There is a proverb, a speech in time, save the nine. Okay, a speech in time, save the nine. First, we have to understood this thing. First, we have to understood this thing, and I want to be very punctual. Punctuality should be rewarded among students. Ill-discipline should be banned or should be rebuked. The students, ill-disciplined students. Okay. I can develop effective punctuality is one of the thing, discipline and punctuality. Second, I can make them small groups because there are many types of students. For backward students or slow students, I can arrange remedial classes. First, I have to develop effective teaching methods. Teaching methods are an effective teaching method can make a lot of difference in a student's academic life. We have to remember that. There are many tried and tested teaching methods available for all type of students, and there are brilliant students or who are more eager to learn. I have to prepare special lesson for them, or I have to I can coach, I can guide them for different competitive exams like NET, SET, WBCS, IAS, or bank IBPS, etc., etc. I can guide them. Here's the second part: individual effort or group effort. Group effort. I can do all these things in my class, in my special class, or I have to appeal to the authority, to the principal, for making coaching centers for career or career counseling centers for the students. There are many and I can guide them personally, but personally I can't do nothing, do much more. So I have to go to the institution, I have to appeal to HOD, I have to appeal to principal, and I have to I want to arrange web student seminar. I can arrange web series, web seminars, webinars, series of lectures. I must engage in students. I research work, great quality of book writing, writing journals in peer-reviewed writing journals in peer-reviewed journals, etc. And I can make the students involved in decision making. This is not my class. This is both students and teachers are both. I don't want to be an authoritarian teacher. Students and teachers are both part of a great journey. I can make them involved in decision making. And first, I can inspire them to aim higher. This is the first thing. These strategies should be targeted at struggling students who have and I have learned. I can have arranged remedial classes for students who have learning difficulties. And if there are financial problem, I can personally help in the poor students to continue their studies, and I can arrange them for student scholarships, or or concession in fees with talking to principals, talking to the college authority. There is a student welfare fund in every student welfare scheme in every college. It is in our institution. We can make different policies. I can arrange quizzes, debates, essay competitions, and I can motivate them to participate in NSS, MCC. There is a NSS unit in my college also, and I can give them value education. It is not outside academics. It is involved in academic excellence, because there is important not only IQ or intelligence quotient. It is today emotional quotient is also very much important. So value for parents, value for teachers, to respect our culture, to respect our national integrity, to respect older people, to have respect for our heritage, to have respect our great ancient great persons like Rabindranath, Vivekananda, Netaji, Gandhiji, Iqbal, Muhammad Iqbal, etc. And I have to build in myself academic leadership, and I have to focus on promoting innovative teaching and learning practices. We shall engage students through high-impact learning strategies, including metacognition skills, teaching techniques, curriculum design, etc. etc. Teachers can also institute a reward system to encourage students to take their studies seriously. Reward systems could help build healthy competition among students. My effort and enthusiasm as a teacher directly influence student commitment to course and interest in the subject. Great teachers inspire students by demonstrating belief in their students' abilities and by providing the support students need to meet challenging academic demands. Okay, that's all.